Pedrosa, Lorenzo, Rossi che fa... Ci prego,
non ci credo.
Cavalcano entrambi il cordole, saranno entrambi uccellati da Bradley Smith, credo.
Hayden qua ci teneva.
Smith su Hayden è dovizioso.
Vediamo cosa succede.
Entra lunghissimo, chiude l'anteriore e tira giù anche il dovizioso.
In realtà non voleva.
Bradley Smith had both gone down. The Cal Crutchlow crashed. He was there. Cal Crutchlow, he didn't know that Bradley Smith behind him was also falling out of contention. So that's, well, I hate to say it, it's at turn 11. Oh, and right on cue, down goes Cal Crutchlow. Oh, and so has Bradley.
Na prova, vamos entender o que aconteceu com o Rossi. Caiu sozinho o Valentino Rossi. Ele perdeu a frente.
Una gran scivolata. È partita di posteriore? È difficile.
Vediamo in replay un po' largo di traiettoria. E qua chiude probabilmente.
No, davanti un po' come la mattina.
Se fue. Vámonos. Así me fui yo. Ay, vale.
Stava recuperando 2 decimi a settore ad Andrea, al buon Jorge Lorenzo, era arrivato a 6 decimi di distacco, aveva recuperato 4 decimi in Zerato. Vediamo cosa è successo.
È giù in discesa, lungo perché ha guadagnato abbastanza, era riuscito a buttarla dentro, però lì devi ritornare poi dopo a prendere la seconda curva e non c'è più riuscito.
Che peccato.
You know, he knows as they go down through the chicane. You know, he knows he will overtake him, and there is nothing, absolutely nothing that Lorenzo can do. Look at that front tyre wear as well for Jorge Lorenzo. That's the hard mixing option rear tyre. He just hasn't been comfortable all the time. What about that? Oh, you know, he's totally gone. You know, he ran to the back of Lorenzo. You know, he got it way too hot. Down at turn number 10. It's been made wide open into turn 10. Way too hot. I'm afraid Andrea Iannone has got to take full responsibility for that. he was coming from just way too back. Look at this. He's going to torpedo Jorge Lorenzo. That is almost a carbon copy of the last corner when he took out Andrea Dovizioso in Argentina.
What's that front? I was watching the front there, just go a little bit, and down he went. Well, we're asking the question if he's going to make it forward in the air. I wonder if that'll change your mind. At BT Sport Motogp, Marc Marquez has dropped it in the final corner on the circuit.
He was on pace to do a 3.
He was 0.6 under.
Yeah.